Hi everyone and welcome to PM Learn. If you have ever wondered how to break into the world of project management but felt stuck because you don't have the years of experience listed on job descriptions, this video is for exactly you. Today, I am giving you the ultimate no fluff roadmap to becoming a project manager, especially designed for freshers. Let's turn your potential into a career. So, how your journey start? I want you to take a deep breath. Every senior project manager you see leading massive teams at Google or Amazon started exactly where you are right now, with a blank resume and a lot of questions. The journey from zero to hired isn't a mystery, it's a process. And today we are starting that process together. So, let's discuss about some example. First, what is a project manager? Many people think you need to be a smart technical person in the room. You don't. Think of an orchestra conductor. The conductor doesn't play the violin or the trumpet. Their job is to make sure the musicians are playing the right notes at the right time at the right volume. As a project manager, you are the conductor. You, you bridge the gap between a big idea and a finished product by managing the scope, the people, and the risk. Here is the biggest secret in the industry. You already have experience. Look at this number, 100%. Every single one of you has managed a project. Have you ever organized a birthday party, managed a volunteer event, lead a group project in college? Those required a budget, a timeline, and managing stakeholders. Even if that stakeholder was just your stubborn best friend. My goal today is to teach you how to translate those life skills into professional project manager speak. In the professional world, we use methodologies to stay organized. Think of this as your compass. On one side, we have Agile. It's fast, flexible, and used mostly in tech. On the other side, we have Waterfall. It's structured and linear, like building a house where you can't put the roof on until the walls are up. As a fresher, you should understand both, but focusing on Agile is usually the fastest way into the modern job market. You can learn software in a weekend, but soft skills are your real superpowers. 90% of your job as a project manager is communication. You explain a delay to a client without making them angry. Can you lead a team of people who don't technically report to you? This is leadership without authority, and it's the most valuable skill you can develop. Now let's get practical. You need to be comfortable with the tools of the trade. If I were you, I start by playing around with Jira, Trello, or Asana. They are free to try. You also need to learn how to write a project charter, which is basically a birth certificate for a project, and how to identify risk. Interactive tip. Which tool are you currently using to stay organized? Tell me in the comments below. How do you prove to a recruiter that you know your stuff? For freshers, the CAPM Certified Associate in Project Management is your golden ticket. Unlike the PMP, which requires years of experience. The CAPM only requires a high school diploma and 23 hours of learning. It shows employees you are serious, certified, and ready to work. Don't just search for project manager on LinkedIn. Those roles often go to people with more experience. Instead, look for these stepping stone roles. Project coordinator is the perfect entry level spot. You will handle the admin and scheduling while learning from a senior project manager. It's like a apprenticeship that pays you to learn. Let's talk about the way project management is not just fulfilling. It's one of the highest paying careers you can enter without a technical degree. Even as a junior project manager, you can start with a very comfortable salary, and as you see on the chart, that number scales quickly as you gain experience. You are not just looking for a job, you are building an asset. I want you to screenshot this slide. This is your homework. Month 1, learn the basics. Month 2, master the tools. Month 4, get that CAPM certification. Month 6, start applying. Don't try to do it all in 1 week. Consistency beats intensity every single time. So, are you ready to lead? If this roadmap made sense to you, hit that like button and subscribe to PM Learn. I am going to be realizing deep dives into each of these steps over the next few weeks. If you are feeling stuck on month 1, drop a comment below and I will personally help you find the right resources. Let's get started on your PM journey. I will see you in the next video.